Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video. And as you know, the Samsung Galaxy A32 4G is launched in India. So today we gonna talk about the Samsung Galaxy A32. The specification of an Indian Galaxy A32 4G are not changed from the Russian variant, but there will be change in memory variant. The Galaxy A32 4G in India comes with a 6 gigs of RAM and 128 GB internal storage. For a comparison, in Russian the Galaxy A32 4G comes with a 4 gigs of RAM with the options of 64 GB and 128 GB internal storage. Now the difference is good as the 6 gigs of should be good enough RAM in 2021. However, it doesn't comes with a 64 GB internal memory variant, which might means that the price will be higher in India. Anyway, we might see a cheaper 64 GB variant in the near future. Talking about the colors, the Galaxy A32 4G will comes in awesome violet, awesome black, awesome blue and awesome white option. The smartphone will be available for sale starting March 5th of 2021. Now coming to the Galaxy A32 4G highlights. So according to the Samsung India official website, the Galaxy A32 4G has 3 highlights. First of all, it comes with a 64 megapixel quad camera setup. On the rear side, the front camera, there is a 13 megapixel wide for the clicking selfie or recording the videos. Secondary, it has a 90Hz Super Amoled display. I believe this is the best feature of all. Samsung was given a Super Amoled display before too, but it had a 60Hz refresh rate. And most of the Chinese companies also are given AMOLED plus 60Hz or IPS 90 and 120Hz refresh rate. Hence the combo of a 90Hz refresh rate with a Super AMOLED panel easily make it as a great display device. Coming to the last highlight, it will be having a massive 5000 mAh big battery. According to the description, it provides up to 20 Hz of video playback, which is not bad at all. For now, the Galaxy A32 4G look promising and it also look exactly like the Russian variant. So guys, if you are interested to buy this smartphone for the Indian pricing, we will have to wait till 5th of March. Let us know your opinions in the comment section below. So that's all for the day guys. If you find this video relative and useful for you, please hit the like button. Thank you very much guys. Stay with us.